Hey everyone. So we've talked about how we can convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction and an improper fraction back to a mixed number. And we're going to use those skills to compare two fractions to see if they're equal or maybe one's greater than the other. So the two fractions I'm going to use, I'm going to have 1.5 as my mixed number, and my improper fraction is going to be 24/16. So we're going to compare these two fractions and try to figure out, are they equal? Is this one greater or is that one greater? Okay, and so since I have two different types of fractions, I'm going to make them both the same. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my mixed number into an improper fraction. We practice that skill so we can quickly go through that. The process is multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 2 times 1 is 2. Add the 1. And so our fraction becomes 3/2, 3/2. And I'm comparing that still with 24/16. Now, I want to make my denominators the same. There's two ways I can do this. I can either make 2 the same as 16, or I can make 16 the same as 2, because they're compatible numbers. So in this case, I will make, let's make the 2 into a 16. So in order to make 2 into 16, I'm going to be multiplying it by 8. And because I changed the denominator by multiplying it by 8, I'm going to multiply the numerator by 8 as well. So my fraction here is now 24/16. And look at that. These two fractions that I began with up here are actually equal to each other. All right, so take your fractions, make them the same type of fraction, make the denominators the same, and then compare.